Well, my friends, we made it back to Playa. Surprise, surprise. And it was a surprise for us because last night we kind of sat down and looked at airline tickets. We found a good deal. It's like, let's get out of here. And that's what we did. We landed this morning. We went to Puerto Morales. I'll show you some footage of us going down over there. Then here we are on Playacar Beach in front of the Reef Club, the Reef Hotel on Playacar. Let's take a look. Give you the beach report. Here we are. The water looks nice. The temperature is perfect as usual. There's a little bit of sargassum, but it's okay. It is May, it is rainy season, but the weather and temperature is still nice. We've been here in rainy season before, and we still had a good time because it's not constantly raining. We got a couple of friends out there in the water, Cameron and Steven. There they are, yeah. What's up? They're like, come on down and join us, man. The water is perfect. Hey, they're standing over there, Teresa. It's not too deep.
You want to go up there?
We could.
Hold your phone if you want.
Oh, really? Oh, I don't want to go by myself.
Oh, they're out there.
Not going to leave you hanging in the sand.
Fine if you want.
Not going to leave you over here sitting in the sargassum. You're going to get sargassum butt. I'll never hear the end of it. They got a nice pool, infinity pool right there, eh? All these houses have pools. There's my guy Cameron over there, brother. What's up, man? Hey, let's see if I can get a good shot of Cozumel over here. No, mine goes out of focus. There's Cozumel. Well, friends, my stress level is back down to 0. And it feels good. I can put a smile on my face. Because probably if you notice and you see videos of me back at home, I ain't smiling that often. Just what it is. Oh, this guy caught a fish, he's cutting it up. Oh, he's cutting up some bait. He's cutting up some bait. Go fishing with. Let's see what these guys are doing on that boat over here. What kind of activities are they doing? can't tell what they're doing. I know what this boat is doing. Taking passengers to Cozumel.
You can follow the trail.
Oh yeah? So spring water coming out of the sand, eh?
Well, I think it's like a cenote, right?
Well, cenote as a whole, but it could be spring water coming out of a cenote.
Yeah. Look at how it goes. Look at all these. Right here. See them? Look at this big one. Watch where you're walking.
Oh, there's some fresh water right there coming out, eh? Whoa! Down a hole.
Did you? Yeah, there's a big one right there. Look at that.
Put your foot in it.
Hold on to me. Whoa, I'm going down in it. Dude, it's very deep. It's like a foot deep.
Maybe
Here,
it's,
let me hold on
maybe
to
it's
you.
too deep. You'll fall all the way in.
Whoa.
Don't worry about it.
Something right here is happening.
Yeah, we've seen a big one in front of the park last winter, and there was all kinds of shamans showing up over there. And people with tribal drums around it. Hey, what were the people with the tribal drums around that?
Those were pretty big.
That was a big one over there at the park
But this one
last year.
is too. They thought they might be sitting around
Yeah, we're not going to tell them about it
there.
because it's going to go away
Look
like
at-
the other one
there's
did.
Another one.
Oh, there's more of them over here. Hey, you know why this is happening?
Right
Because
here, too.
sea level is different.
It's going lower, right? Or higher or lower? Look at it. Wow.
There's a full moon out.
Put your foot in there. Well, I'll hold you.
I ain't going nowhere. Whoa!
That's what I'm saying. It's deeper than you think. It really is.
You want to cool your foot off? Where you want to put your foot? It's a beautiful day, my friends. It's a beautiful day.
I didn't even see those on the way. We didn't look at them, I guess. What if Cameron and Steve?
This is normally all sand. Temporarily it's washed away. But it will be back.
Interesting.
And this sand right here, when it gets hot outside, 90 degrees, you'll still walk on it barefoot. The sand does not get hot. I've been to places where your feet would be burning from the heat. I think it was St. Pete, Florida. In Florida, man, you can't walk on that sand barefoot because it gets so hot. I just remember St. Pete, I was running. This is all normally sand too. I didn't even know that all this stuff was underneath the sand. Yeah, we've been coming here since 2002. And I've never seen it like this over here with all these rocks. But I bet you in a couple months, it'll be covered with sand again. It's always a surprise. That's the beauty of it. It's never the same. Never gets boring. It's how life is. Big roller coaster. A big roller coaster ride. The ups and downs. The good thing is it's not slippery. Yep. It's a cloudy day, but it's still a beautiful day. We're gonna have to investigate, see what that structure is they put on the pier over there. These two structures over there. We're gonna have to check it out. Here we are at Chedraui, the grocery store. All the shopping carts are out. It is Sunday, Mother's Day. Teresa's out there in the parking lot looking for a shopping cart. Ain't that nice? There she is. That's her little orange shopping cart right there. Well, I grabbed one of those chickens. It's pre-baked. Uh-oh, I lost Teresa. Oh, there she is, over there, the orange cart. Wow, there's the bakery section. I'm gonna stay on this side of the store and not go that way. Oh, there goes Teresa. She's going that way. She's looking at something. She's looking at something for breakfast, or something to have with her coffee in the morning. No, I'm not doing breads.
We're not doing bread, right?
Nope. I was buying a bottle of wine here, but he says they don't sell wine after 5 o'clock on Sunday. Hey, I can't do it because they don't sell wine at 5 o'clock on Sunday.
Okay.
No alcohol sales. Oh, here it is, roped off right here too. Wiped off with this tape over here, the beer and wine. I don't know if it's because it's a holiday or or because Sunday after a certain time.
Like one of these?
Sure, just get one of those, yeah. We're having a couple of friends come over. We're gonna play some game. If they said a board game and it's a card game, they're coming over at 7:30. So all we have is like 6 beers at the house and some Jameson. Me and Cameron drank all that tequila. that we had left over from when my cousin was here. We finished off the 5th. It was only 2 shots left anyway. Well, shoot, we're gonna be serving pork rinds tonight. Is that what it is, pork rinds?
Yeah.
Chicharron. Chicharron. 100%. Here, let's get some mango juice. That might go good with the Jameson. I got that little bag of chicharron, but this is the real deal right here, man. We're gonna have to try it. Those things are monstrous. Look at them. Look at compared to my hand. That thing's huge. It's a big chicharron, man. Shit. My new breakfast is blueberries and milk instead of cereal. Blueberries, yeah, or blueberries and milk, or bananas and milk, just cut up. Uh-oh, it's looking slim today. The bananas are looking slim today, Teresa. Maybe I'll take these too. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. We're not running out of time. We gotta go. That's what it is. A quick trip to the store.
114 pesos.
Well, we put it on English.
Pesos. 99.
At least they know they can do that.
Please remove the unscanned item. Remember to always scan your item before placing it in the
Yeah,
bag.
Teresa,
Please
scan your item.
continue scanning.
Did this go through? I don't think this one. This one, I don't see here. Yeah.
Teresa scanning my blueberries.
Pesos.
That's it. We're just gonna have a little party tonight.
Pesos. 22.
That's
pesos.
it. 50 bucks. 1,000 pesos. And 2 bananas. Get those bananas in there.
Key in item code, then touch enter.
Uh-oh. No items code. Look at the photos. Look up by image.
Touch
There
the
you go.
item to purchase.
Wow, this is just like at home. And it's even in English. This is just too easy.
Move your item to the bag. 847.
Whoa, the dirt bikes. Damn, Rob. Look at that. 1,500 bucks. He's a bad boy. What am I talking about? Rob was just here. He left last week. He knows all about those bikes. All right, we're heading home. It's 7:30. Gonna have a couple friends coming over for a friendly card game. Haven't played cards in years. Here's Teresa's allowance for the week. What's that?
I heard my name.
Oh, I didn't say nothing.
I said Teresa. Something Teresa. Blah, 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 Teresa, blah, blah, blah.
Maybe.
Then I...
Let's see what the chicharron tastes like down here.
have to compare it to the one we're going to get from the store.
We're going to try that 2-foot chicharron this week.
Not, probably from a farm.
Here we are monkeying around.